Hey there, not everyone has fast internet, but you can still use 1xBet on slow connection. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Here are some tips. Use the Lite version of the 1xBet app. It loads faster and uses less data. Turn off live streaming if your internet is weak. Stick to text match trackers. And place bets earlier to avoid delays during live games. So this way, even with limited data, you can bet smoothly without missing out. If you enjoy this kind of content, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.